If you've been thinking about getting these Meta glasses, watch this video before you order. Let's talk about it. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about these Meta glasses, but more importantly, the lenses that go inside them. Recently, VRROC reached out to me to test out their lenses in these glasses. I did order these with Ray-Ban lenses, but I wasn't aware of VRROC lenses until they reached out to me. So I wish I had known about them, because Ray-Ban lenses, when you order your Meta glasses, are going to be higher priced than VRROC lenses, and VRROC lenses came to me pretty quick. So they're prescription lenses. It was easy to pop them out. My Ray-Ban lenses, pop those out, pop the VRROC lenses in. They come in different colors. They do transitions. They do progressive lenses, which is what I use. My prescription's not that strong. It is a little tricky popping the lenses out, I will tell you that. So let's show you how you pop lenses out of the glasses. Okay, we're going to pop these lenses out. There is a video that they have posted online on how to replace your lenses. These are my Meta glasses. I'm actually wearing a pair of Oakley glasses right now, so I can do this and be able to see. Unzip these. This is what you have. You have the left and right on the glasses that the lenses that they send you. So they come in this plastic container. My hands are, I wish I had the gloves that they wear in the video, but I don't have cloth gloves, so we're just going to do it this way. So first thing you do is push from the inside of the lens, and you're just going to pop that out. They make it look really easy online. So that pops out there. So that worked out pretty well. Let's take the right lens and plop this in. It wasn't too hard. I had to apply a bit of pressure to get that in there. I will say that. So that was a little bit of a pressure thing. But the replacement lens actually snapped in really quick. I'm surprised. That was really fast. I'm actually really surprised. So let's pop this one out. This one's a little, I can feel it going. Wow, the left one is a little, ooh, that one's a little rough. Okay. Left one was a little harder, gotta admit. Let's undo this one. I was kind of afraid of really messing up my glasses, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because that would not have been cool. But the left fits in really easily, and the right went in super easy. So they fit in really well. That is how you replace them and pop them in and out. So that was pretty easy. Overall, I think VRROC lenses are a great replacement for your Meta glasses if you're thinking about purchasing them, or if you already have a pair. These are a great way to have an extra pair of lenses, or if you scratch your lenses or anything like that, you didn't have insurance with Ray-Ban, great replacement option. If you're thinking about getting Meta glasses, I would definitely take a look at VRROC lenses as another way of getting lenses at a better price. You could probably even pick up a couple lenses for the cost of what you might pay for Ray-Ban lenses. So overall, a really good alternative. Big thanks to VRROC for sending me a pair of these lenses to test out. Really surprised at how easy it was to take my video might have made it look like it was really hard to take the lenses out, but part of it is that fear that you're going to do something wrong to your glasses, you're going to mess them up. But they were really easy to pop out in the long run. I wouldn't have any hesitation about changing out lenses again, and putting my Ray-Ban ones back in, or putting the Meta ones in if I want to use those. I think it's a really easy process to change out the lenses. So check them out. Link in the description below. There's also a discount code below there as well. So if you're thinking about getting a pair, be sure to check out that link. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll talk soon.